Founded in 2009, Fuzhou LiCheng Industrial Company Limited is a BSCI and FSC certified furniture manufacturer in China, serving clients across North America and Europe with a strong focus on compliance, quality assurance, and supply chain stability. With an annual export turnover of $26 million and around 1,800 containers shipped per year, we support long-term cooperation with importers, distributors, and furniture brands requiring reliable production capacity and consistent delivery. Our manufacturing expertise lies in panel furniture, produced using MDF, particle board, and bamboo, and suitable for residential, office, and hospitality applications. We have extensive experience supplying to markets such as the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Canada, and Australia. To reduce sourcing risks for our partners, we implement structured pre-production planning, in-process inspections, and final random inspections. Combined with our ethical and sustainable manufacturing standards, this allows us to operate as a stable, compliant, and long-term furniture manufacturing partner.